everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful start to your Wednesday. Halfway through the week, and we're going to continue to see some pretty mild temperatures carry on as the day goes on. Highs back into the middle 70s today, near record-breaking highs tomorrow. Similar story as we head into your Friday, folks, as we are just going to continue to see temperatures just cranking on up here across East Tennessee. We do have a stationary front that is to our north. The stationary front is going to provide basically rain showers and maybe even some thunderstorms across very similar locations day after day. Not in our neck of the woods, but just off to our north. And while I know a lot of families are getting ready for some spring break travel plans, if you are planning to travel to our north, I do expect to see some rain showers throughout the end of this work week. We'll likely see a little bit of a wetter weather pattern take over here across East Tennessee as we get closer to the weekend and into the early part of next week. In fact, some areas here locally could see close to about a half of an inch to an inch of rain within the next 7 days. And most of this precipitation is going to be arriving into the weekend and into the early part of next week. And then we also have another cold front that's going to be sliding through the area midweek next week. And it's going to bring in a little bit of a change to some of these well above average temperatures that we've had here across East Tennessee. We'll have more on your extended forecast coming up in just a little bit. For now, we do want to get you out. For the time being, we're relatively quiet here across East Tennessee. A stationary front to our north is continuing to bring in consecutive days of rain just to our north. If you have any travel plans leading up into spring break, you might run into some of those showers and some thunderstorms. Could actually have a few showers and thunderstorms try to push through parts of Middle Tennessee tomorrow. Don't foresee that to have much of an impact here across East Tennessee up until about Friday, where I've added a 20% chance for some rain. It does look like we should have a fairly dry forecast here locally within the next couple of days. There is a better chance for some rain pushing into the region by the end of this work week, and as we go into the weekend, we have another frontal boundary that's going to slide on through. It's going to bring in more rain showers heading into your Saturday and into your Sunday. We actually like the rain. I'd say most areas will have the chance of seeing about a half of an inch to an inch of precipitation